I love this place. So this is my first visit from last 10 years till today. And now I am just alone. This video. Hello guys, my name is Lawrence and you're watching TechnoLeopard, and this is the first video. You can see that this is the biggest tree in this hospital. This hospital has been abandoned from last year in pandemic, due to pandemic in 2020. So as you can see how much the ego diversity has grown up in such a immense manner. You know, my families also live there, my relatives, and I never ever realized that what happened to this place, man. I mean, check this out. There is no sign of human being here. The whole hospital has been abandoned last year due to pandemic, and as you can see that no one is living here. Here is the place where my relatives living, and now this is purely abandoned from last 1 year. And you can see that this is the place where we used to come in our childhood. We play here every evening whenever we want to come to our relatives. And you can watch now what happened to this place. You know what? These are the government quarters. You can see that. And now this place is purely covered by the plants and trees, herbs, shrubs. And I really feeling good about this, but I'm also waiting for them that when they will come and live again here. But the government officials told me that these quarters will be collapsed and then they will rebuild the new one. So after searching this place, after visiting this place from last, actually I haven't come this place for last 8 years or 10 years. So this is my first visit from last 10 years till today. And yeah, I love this place. Here my childhood spent every day, and now I am just alone. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.